that's my blown out tire. It blew out, like, all the way around. I'm going upstairs. I just woke up. There might be some drool on my face, but I like to keep this video raw as hell for y'all. Yeah. I don't know where I'm gonna put this right now. It's raining outside. It's like 12 o'clock at night. I just got home from the gym. I was cooking up, some beef patties, and I just could not wait. I actually bought a tripod, and I don't have it down here with me. So we're gonna find a box to put you on. But I could not wait to open this up. I'm super excited. I'm gonna put it on tomorrow, I think. All right, everyone, there's the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. That's it. Cool. See you. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God, it looks so fucking good. This looks way better than, in my opinion, than the, have you ever seen I know you guys have seen it, it's like either the 2 vents or the 3 vents. The angling, it's just got definition. Other ones are just flat. Now at first in the pictures, I wasn't sure how I'd feel about this little vent right here in the middle, but honestly, dude, I fucking love the way this hood looks. It's like if you look on the bottom of it, some places, from what I've seen, they're glued on or other things like that, but VIS, they actually bolted on and whatnot. So I think that's why, I looked on their website and I was doing a lot of research. I didn't see a lot of information on hood pins. I mean, we're gonna find out. I'm not gonna run hood pins or anything like that, quick release latches. And I'm gonna send it for you guys and we'll see if it flies up. And we're gonna direct our attention over here because there's 4 wooden blocks. There's 2 wooden blocks that are bolted onto the back of this, so we're gonna pull them off. And there you have it, look at that. Got it all the way on there. Of course, I have to go back and do a little fine tuning and adjust it. But other than that, it fits well, it looks good. I didn't really have any issues. Of course, it's a little tedious having to line it up, but dude, this looks fucking great. So, car didn't blow up, so I think we did a pretty good job, if you don't say so myself, if you know what I'm saying. But came out pretty good. I love the fitment, love the look. Definitely makes the car look a lot more aggressive just by the hood. So I really can't complain. It's definitely different. I definitely never see any of these hoods around, which is why I wanted to pick one up. So, I love it. I can't complain. It's definitely different, which is what I wanted. So other than that, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.